The metal powder demonstrates excellent flowability with a stable and controllable composition. The process is mature and has been validated through extensive printing. The BLTM powder product line encompasses standard product sales and development, customized powder product development, and powder testing services. The standard products under the BLTM product line include powders for laser-based powder bed fusion of metals, powders for directed energy deposition of metals, and powders for metal injection molding. Among these, the powder products TC4, TA15, TA1 have gained widespread recognition for their quality, yield, and technology. BLT can also develop targeted powders based on the raw materials provided by customers. We engage in the research and preparation of new materials according to the composition and application requirements defined by the customer. In the powder testing phase, BLT is equipped with an independent standardized testing center that utilizes various types of equipment for comprehensive and systematic evaluation of powder properties. This includes pre-testing of formed products and performance testing of the microstructure after forming, providing technical support for powder development. The powder production line of BLT will continuously drive innovative design with user needs and lead manufacturing technology with innovative design, strengthen the foundation and contribute to the high-quality development of the metal additive manufacturing industry.